Good morning, ladies. It's me, Brandy. I am coming on today. I am getting ready to do my lashes for the week, and I wanted to share with you guys a new method that I found, and it's called the triple bond method. And I wanted to share it with you guys because it's the longest wear that I've gotten to go with my lashes. I have both bonds by Lashify. I have the Whisper Light, and then I have the charcoal bond. So today I'm going to be using the Whisper Light, and I'm going to be doing the triple bond method. And this so far has gotten me personally the longest wear. So I want to kind of share it with you guys. I'm coming on fresh faced. I have my makeup done, but I'm going to do my lashes last, which is usually the order that I go in anyway. So yeah, if you're interested in the triple bond method, to see if you can get a little bit more wear out of your lashes, catch this video. I think it might help. Okay, ladies, so I generally start with curling my eyelashes. My eyelashes grow down, so when I go ahead and curl them and I start with the curler, it just kind of lifts it up so I can see that waterline a little bit better. So if you're struggling with even getting your lashes on and your lashes grow down, my first suggestion is to go ahead and curl your eyelashes just so you can get a little bit more vision of what's going on right there. Sometimes if the lash grows down, you can't really see the waterline. So I'm going to go ahead and curl the eyelashes first. Start with the triple bond method. I've got my lashes curled, and I'm going to go in with the Whisper Light flexible bond, and I'm going to use the black side, and I'm going to go ahead and apply just like mascara from the bottom to the tips, and I apply a very thorough layer on both lashes. Okay, so I went in and thoroughly applied on both sides. Now, here's the thing with the triple bond method that I learned that was very helpful for me, is you go ahead and you let this layer set up on the eyes. So you go ahead and wait about a minute, and then we'll go in to apply the next round. So I'm gonna go ahead and wait for about a minute. Lashify has a new dryer. If you guys want to purchase that, you can go ahead and dry, or you can just be patient and wait for the minute. And then we're gonna go ahead and apply our next layer of bond. And apply layer number 2. The triple bond method obviously is 3 layers, so that's why it's called the triple bond method. So I'm just gonna go in and apply to the very tips for this second one. And I am gonna do both lashes because that just works the best for me. Okay, so after waiting another minute, we're gonna go ahead and apply our third round of bond. You want to make sure you're letting this set up because that is really what makes this technique work really well. It gives you a really nice tack to pop those right on. So if you're struggling with your Lashify lashes, really take into consideration that it might be because you're not tacky enough for the lash to actually grab onto. That was something I was struggling with, which I didn't really know that I was struggling with until I tried the triple bond method. And you guys will watch me put my lash on, and you'll see how it absolutely sticks very quickly and very easily. Third application right here. Okay, ladies, so we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna start applying. I am going to be doing the E12s today. I have a couple E11s in here. These are the double E's is what I should say, because there are the regular E's. These are double E's 12s and double E11s. And I'm also going to do a little bit of a stack to kind of get some dimension in there. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my first set. I want to show you guys how quickly the triple bond method works with grabbing that lash. If you're struggling with grabbing the lash, you know, when you go in to put it on, it's probably your bonding method. So this is kind of a troubleshoot for you guys. You guys can see how quickly I place it on, and it is because of how you're applying the product. It's never the product's fault. It's usually we're going wrong somewhere. And with Lashify, that's why I just encourage you guys, keep washing the lashes and keep trying before you purchase more products, just because you want to kind of really narrow down what works best for you. That's why Lashify can be very overwhelming, is because lots of different things work for lots of different people. So I'll show you how quickly my Lashify grabs. It's just right on there. It just grabbed it immediately. And then I'm going to fuse. Okay, ladies, I got that side 100% on, and I'm going to go move over to the other side. And that just clinked right on with that triple bond. Okay, ladies, I finished up with the other side. That's the triple bond method. It works really well. I get the longest wear out of these. I'm a contact wearer, so my eyes do water, but I usually can get about 4 to 5 days as of right now with my lashes. And the 4 to 5 days, I actually haven't experienced that much lifting. It's more just because I like to go in and get a good face scrub, and I do use the Lashify remover. So with that being said, if you get overwhelmed with Lashify, all their videos, all their content, check out my other video called Overwhelmed with Lashify. I think you guys will find it really helpful. And if you enjoyed this content, you guys will love my page or my channel. So make sure you click subscribe. Bye, guys.